trying to hydrate myself before we start this beat. Before we start this beat on my face.
See you praying on it. You did. I see you ain't on the problem. Mic check. Wherever my check.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing festival for you guys. I am doing my take on my mom's flag. So it is Carnival here in Toronto, and I decided that I wanted to do my culture on my eye. I am half Jamaican, so I wanted to do the flag on my face. And it's a very popular place, and I know there's a lot of Jamaicans here on this earth and here in Toronto. I actually like how it turned out. I really enjoyed it. So I wanted to do this look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed, hey, welcome to the Adriana O family. And also don't forget to turn on your post notification so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to know. You done know. Let's get started with this tutorial. So we're gonna start off by priming our lids. So I'm using my infamous Wet n Wild concealer, and this is in medium tawny. Again, it's very important that you prime your lids because that's how you get the best eye look and the best pigmentation. So make sure you prime your eyelids. So we're just putting this all over the lid. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to blend this concealer out, and I'm using my Morphe E45 brush. So we're going to take this brush and we're going to just push the concealer onto the lid. Don't move it around because we don't want to move the concealer and the foundation. We just want to push it onto the lid. Now going into my MAC palette. This is my blush palette. I have a lot of my bronzers in here that I bought from MAC. I'm going to use Blunt into the crease. This is going to be our transition color. Make sure you blend it out because the worst thing that you want to have is a not blended eye look, especially going to Caravana. You want to make sure that your eyes be popping. Actually, you want to make sure that you look good, but then also you're going to sweat it off because you're going to be dancing all day. So just make sure you blend your eyeshadow, okay? Now, because we are doing Jamaica on the lid, I am using my Morphe 35B palette. This palette has so many bright colors in there, and it has all the colors that I need, so that's why I'm referring to this palette again. We're gonna go in with this black color. Now, on the Jamaican flag, you have yellow, black, and green. We're gonna use the black under the transition, okay? So we're just gonna take, and we're gonna take a little bit, okay? We're not gonna go crazy with it because we're gonna go crazy more on the outer crease. Take a little bit goes a long way. I do not want you guys to take all that black onto your lid and it look like you got sock in the face. You know what I'm saying? You want to just take it easy on the black eyeshadow because... So now I'm going to go back with the same concealer that we used to prime our lid, and I'm going to use it to cut my crease. And I'm using an angle brush, and I'm using the angle brush from Real Techniques. And we're going to do a half cut crease. We're not going to do a full cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this yellow color and we're going to apply it to the inner corner of our eye. Now I'm going to go back into the same palette and I'm going to take this green color right here and we're going to apply it right into the middle. As I'm putting the color onto my lid, I'm also blending it into the yellow because we don't want to have the yellow blap right there, harsh line, green blap right there, harsh line. We want to make sure that it's gradient and it just blends properly. So now that's done, I'm going to go back into my palette and I'm going to take the black color, and we should use more of a defined brush. So I'm going to use a smudger brush and we're going to apply that black color to the edge of the eye. Now I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to cut the edges. We want it to be super sharp, so we're going to cut it using the same angled brush and concealer. Okay guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. I'm so sorry that you guys weren't able to see me apply the eyeshadow to the bottom, but I did use this green color right here and I applied it halfway through. I didn't go all the way to the beginning of the eye to the end. I only did the middle part, and I used Huda liquid lipstick in Trendsetter on my lips. I'm sorry that you guys didn't get to see that. I was having difficulties and some problems with my actual SD card, so I wasn't able to record it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, Adriana O for Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to follow your girl on Snapchat, Adriana Oscar 95. I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye. Close that door, we blowing smoke. She asked me like